Hi, this is the summary video for Little Dragon Elite meeting Monday, March 30th at 6 p.m. It's going to start off with a warm-up. It should last about 10 minutes. You're going to march in place, right? However you want. Knees up as high as your waist. That's for 1 minute. Make sure you look at a clock or set a timer. You can use a phone too. The next one is ABCs or shoulder taps. So that's when we're doing this, right? For 1 minute. And then the next exercise is sit-ups for 1 minute. Do as many as you can, followed by jumping jacks. And the way you're going to do jumping jacks is fours, right? 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. And then we're going to practice our sparring footwork. So first you're going to be in a left stance and you're going to practice sliding forward and back. So if I turn my feet this way, sliding forward, I move my lead leg first. Then slide back. You're going to do that for 1 minute in left stance and 1 minute in right stance. The next piece of footwork is you're going to shuffle. That's where you bring your back foot to your lead leg, and then you step out again. And then you reverse it. Your lead leg comes to your rear, and then your rear steps out. So it would look something like this. You're going to practice that in a left stance, forward and back for 1 minute, and then you're going to do it in a right stance. Then you're going to practice sidestepping. So if I'm in a left stance, you would move your left leg first to sidestep to the left, depending upon how this looks on video, or you move your rear leg to slide to the opposite direction. You're going to practice doing this with your hands up, focus straight ahead for 1 minute, then you're going to switch feet and do the same type of footwork. Next, you're going to create a box. So imagine you have a box drawn out on the floor. You're going to practice sliding forward, sidestepping, sliding back, and then sidestepping the other direction. You're going to do that in a box, and then you're going to reverse direction. So you're going to go one way, clockwise, and then anti-clockwise. You're going to do that for 1 minute in left stance. Then you're going to switch feet and do the same thing for 1 minute in right stance. Going clockwise and anti-clockwise. Next, we're going to practice our sparring combinations. Oh, that footwork drill should take about 10 minutes. Then we're going to practice our sparring combos. That's going to be up to 10 minutes for each section, 10 minutes for each combo. So in a left stance, if I do it facing this direction, you're going to break it down and you're going to be flat-footed. You're going to break it down with good form, medium speed. That's sparring combo number 1. Shuffle side kick, back fist, reverse punch, slide back. Do that 10 times on the right, 10 times on the left. Then you're going to do base position, small hops, doing sparring combo number 1, like you're sparring a real opponent. Shuffle side kick, back fist, reverse punch, slide back. 10 times on right, 10 times on left stance. You're going to repeat this for sparring combo number 2. In your stance, you're going to break it down. Sparring combo number 2, slide forward, that's 1. Jab to the face, that's 2. Cross punch, that's 3. Reverse roundhouse kick, that's 4. Step back. You do that flat-footed 10 times, and then you're in base position. Slide, jab, cross, roundhouse, step back, base position. 10 times on right stance, 10 times in left. Then you're going to practice sparring combo number 3. Breaking it down, slide, reverse front kick, roundhouse kick, back fist, step back. 10 times flat-footed in right stance and left stance, and then in base position. Kick, kick, back fist, step back. Once you've done all your sparring combos, we're going to end class with a cool down or stretch. You're going to do 20 leg raises, keeping your legs straight. 20 times on one side, 20 times front leg raise on the other side, then 20 times side leg raise, both legs, right? Side leg raise, keep it straight. And then you're going to follow it up with splits. Use a timer, 1 minute full front split, 1 minute front split to the right, or 1 minute side split, then front split to the right, front split to the left for 1 minute, and then another minute of full side split. Okay? And that'll end your class for today. Hopefully you can tune in to our live stream Zoom class, okay? That's what's best. If you guys have questions, please feel free to email us. Also, once you complete this class, make sure you email us, ian@eastbaykarate-do.com, okay? Thank you, guys.